Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to private Facebook page. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. You will simply open your Facebook. At the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. So here you will select your page. You will simply tap on the page. So at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on them and you will simply tap on settings. So here at the top you will simply tap on page settings. So here you will go to privacy. You will simply tap on privacy. So here is your activity option. Then is the first option is of who can see your future post, and the second one option is who can see the people page and list you follow. You will simply tap on the second option. So here you will simply tap on only me. So your page will be private. So this is the simple process of doing the page private on Facebook. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.